Captain Cook. If you're watching this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click that bell so you don't miss any videos. Hi guys, so today we're going to be making meringues. Now I know meringues are a very scary word to some people, but basically all they are is egg whites and sugar. Alright, so you need to fill your pot with about half a cup of water. Put it on the lowest setting there is for your heat. You want to take a bowl and your eggs, and then you want to take a half cup, break your eggs into your half cup, and you want to break only the egg whites into it. Then you can put your yolks into a separate bowl. Alright, now that your water's simmering, you want to take a large bowl and put it over your simmering water so the heat's on the bottom. Then you want to take your egg, careful not to spill it, and pour it in. So you want to pour in all of your sugar. After you've poured in your sugar, you want to hold this and start mixing it all together. Be sure to hold it steady. Right now, when you hold it up, you're gonna feel it, and it's gonna feel very grainy. The heat's under it so that the graininess all dissolves into the egg whites. So every now and then check on it with your fingers, rub it against your fingers, and if it still feels grainy, leave it on for a little bit longer. Three, two, one. Alright, it feels perfect. So now let's turn off our heat. Alright, now you want to go over to your stand mixer, but a hand mixer will work as well. You want to get your whisk mixer, add it on. Now you want to take your bowl with your egg whites and sugar mixture, and you can ask Noodle for help with picking it up, and you want to pour it all in. Pour as much as you can in, that is, because some of it will stick to the sides because the sugar makes the egg whites really, really sticky. And you can use a spatula to scrape it off the sides so you can pour the rest of it in. Alright, now that you have your egg white and sugar mixture, you want to tighten the bowl, put the top of it down, lock it, and start whisking it. Alright, now that your meringue is very firm, you don't want to overbeat it. So now that it sticks like that, and if you put in your fingers, it feels just the right consistency. Then you want to put this in here. Alright, so next you want to get your scooper. You can also use a piping bag to scoop some of it and put it down. I like having the one that looks like this, so I know exactly where to put it. Alright, then you want to repeat until you have a pan full of them. Alright, and as you can see, I still have a lot in here, so I'm gonna have to make another one. And that's because it puffed up so much because of the egg whites, and it became so fluffy. So now they have your meringues on your pan. You're gonna head over to your oven. Alright, now you're gonna put your meringues in a 200-degree oven. And then you want to start a timer for 1 hour and 45 minutes. See you then. Well, that took a minute. Now that they're finally done, let's go check on them. Now you want to take your meringues out. Don't forget to turn off your oven. All right, now that you have your serving plate and a spatula, you want to take your meringues and put them on your plate. All right, now for the taste test. Perfect. And thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click that bell so you don't miss out on any other delicious treats that you can make.